Hi, today we are looking at how to set up your two-step verification on your WhatsApp. A lot of people have been complaining about having their WhatsApp hacked. Some would log in to find out they have been logged out of their WhatsApp. And when you get logged out of your WhatsApp, you lose all your details. Your friends, your family start getting spam messages. Some of them end up being duped. Some of them fall victims of scams. You don't want this. If you're using a WhatsApp, whether a WhatsApp business or a no ordinary WhatsApp, you want to put a two-step verification. You want to enable your two-step verification. Here is how to do it. Go to your WhatsApp. Once it opens, go to the three dots. These three dots at the right hand side. Just click on it. Then go to settings. Once you get to settings, you go to your security. From your security, you have privacy, security, two-step verification. Click on two-step verification. Once you click on your two-step verification, the next thing you want to do is you want to enable it. So enable your two-step verification. It asks you to enter a 6-digit PIN, which you will be asked when you register your phone number. So I want to enter this. So I've entered it. It's asking me to confirm. So that is it. So it's also asking me to add my email address, which I'll use to reset my PIN if I forget. So I'm adding my email address to this. So I've added my email, and next, confirming email address now. So I've confirmed, and yes, it is applying my settings. So it's saying two-step verification enabled. This will help you from getting hacked. This will help you from losing details. It will save your friends and family from unnecessary spam. So just click on done, and that is it. You can see that it is now showing disabled. If I disable it now, it means the two-step verification is off. So it is enabled this way. I hope you have learned something.